Let's see what's inside Monster Energy Drink. It starts with carbonated water, then sugar, then glucose, citric acid, natural flavors, taurine, sodium citrate, color added, which is probably some sort of food coloring I can assume, Panax ginseng extract, which is a natural substance derived from the Panax ginseng plant, L-carnitine L-tartrate, which is a supplement used for energy production and recovery, caffeine, sorbic acid, which is a preservative, benzoic acid, which is another preservative, niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3, sucralose, which is essentially Splenda, salt, D-glucuronolactone, which is a compound that supports detoxification in the body and is often found in energy drinks for its purported effects on mental alertness and physical performance. Inositol, which is similar to a B vitamin, guarana extract, which comes from the guarana plant for its caffeine content, pyridoxine hydrochloride, which is a form of vitamin B6, riboflavin, which is essentially vitamin B2, maltodextrin, which is essentially corn sugar, and cyanobalamin, which is a form of vitamin B12. I'm not sure I would go to energy drinks as a source of vitamins.